All right, here we are back again. We are getting at Lake Simcoe in Keswick. On this beautiful July 1st, Canada Day. Got my wife with me, which is I think only the second time she's ever been with me. Got her a better helmet. Ooh, look, jet ski. Alright, now we can see. This is a beautiful area. Beautiful, beautiful area. It's a beautiful area. If you want, you can open your helmet now. Maybe it'll be better. Because it's very slowly, right? I'm recording on video now. I'm recording. You can look on the video and say hi. I think you know the motorcycle people, right? They wave at each other. Yeah. White, black, big, small, doesn't matter. It's like the motorcycle code. Yeah. Oh wow, lots of people out. Yeah. Lots of people out on Canada Day, that's for sure. Speed bump. People in the water. Oh, I smell some wacky tobacco. Huh? I smelled something nice. Okay. Somebody smoking something. Wow, nice. love this area. I love it here. It's really relaxing.
It's a very lovely place.
Yeah. Oh, an old Mustang right here, see? Nice car. Should I turn around here? Should I turn around here?
I'm not sure. Maybe you can go a little bit more.
Okay.